Hello everyone, what's up? Here's the site from lawyer10x.com, an exclusive marketing agency for law firms. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the biggest law firm in the US, and the name of it is Morgan. I'm pretty sure you all would already know about that company, but for the guys who don't really know, let me tell you about Morgan. And Morgan is a household name in the legal world with over 1,000 attorneys and a strong presence in the US. They specialize in personal injury law and have been at the forefront of major legal battles for years. But let's look at the other side of the coin. While they're a big company, probably getting tons of cases already, their organic marketing is nothing but pathetic. Why I'm saying that is because they're a big name, getting tons of brand traffic. They're known by Google, yet they're not really ranking for lucrative keywords, only for their brand terms plus some informational keywords. Whereas firms like the Bernays firm are killing it with their SEO and online marketing being half or even less of what Morgan is. Let's see what Morgan are doing wrong with their organic marketing and what you could learn from here that you could correct on your site and Google business profile. So let's look, and let's directly jump into the topic. This is the website of Morgan for the people.com. If you want to have a look at that, feel free to. And if you let's quickly have a look at what they're having. For the guys who don't know about title and meta description, it's basically the title description on that's shown on Google. For instance, if you search for car accident lawyer near me, you would have few websites ranking at the top. And if you see, they would have a title. Beneath that, they will have a small description. That's what we call title and the description. And there's a rule of thumb actually that you have to make sure that your primary keyword or phrase that you want to rank for is included in that. Okay, in their case, if you see, they're not really having the main phrase in the meta description, which is a big no. Okay, then if you see, they're having two heading one. Let me tell you about headings and what that is. H1 or heading one is basically the main title of your page. You must have only and only one H1 because that gives Google the direction about what that page is about. Okay, so make sure that you're having nothing more than one H1. Okay, but in their case, they're having two H1, which is again a huge rookie mistake. Let's see the other stuff. Talking about the content, one of the biggest key factors in ranking, if you see, they are having the same stuff from this section to the last one. They're having the same stuff on all of their location pages. See, it's fine to have few sections on all of your location page. For instance, the call to action one, it gets wrong and it gets actually complex when you have all the content almost all exactly same on all of your pages. Google prefers uniqueness over duplicacy. Okay, so you got to make sure that you are having unique content on each of your page. Even if you're having let's say 5, 10, 15 or more location page, you need to make sure that you're having half of content unique on each of those pages. Okay, now let's look at the other side, that is Google business profile, because that's something that brings a ton of cases for any law firm, because we have been working with tons of law firms lately, and what we are seeing is 50% of the calls are just coming from Google business profile. So that's one of the biggest assets that you can utilize. One thing that you would find common throughout their location is photos. They're having exactly same photos on all of their locations, which is again a big no because Google prefers uniqueness, right? And you know that, and I hope you won't repeat that mistake. Okay, so that's one thing. Other than that, and one of the major reasons why they are not really ranking is if you open any of their major Google business profile, you will find that they're having ratings below 4.6 or 4.7. Why is that the case? I am not saying whether they are a good law firm or whether they are providing the service they're promising or they are good at what they do or not, because they are a really big one and I am sure that they have cracked something that's helping them, but it is not reflecting in their ratings or reviews. While 4.6 is still fine, but Google would prefer anything above 4.7. Okay, 4.8, 4.9 or 5. Google prefers that, so you have to make sure that you're maintaining that. Anything below 4.6 is a big no for Google, because Google wanna show the best possible companies or law firms on their search so that they could connect their viewers or searchers with the right company or law. So that was it for today's video. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer that. If in case you're looking to hire an agency that could deliver you the results, I promise, check out the description and pin comment. I have a link for you. Book a call with us. Let's see if we are a good fit, and we'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye bye.